this is what my bathroom looked like when I bought my house. And this is the rendering they provided me of what the bathroom could look like. But it's me, so modern, I hate it. So we're gonna turn it into a princess castle instead.
I'm thinking more like the Ritz Paris. All gold, all ivory, all old school, old money. Rich hotel anti-vibes. You know, 1850s chic Marie Antoinette if she was an Instagram model. Or, I suppose, if she was a YouTuber.
Alright, ta-da! So as with every good makeover video, it has to start with a before. So here is what my bathroom currently looks like. Yeah, like I said, I want to turn this into the Ritz Paris bathroom. It actually already has the base. It has the right color marble. This is called Cremafil marble. It's like a kind of beigey, really nice, just old style marble. So at least it has that, but obviously the rest of the space needs a hell of a lot of work. So I'm just gonna give you a tour really quick. So yeah, okay, quick tour. Starting with the beginning. You can see, well, it's just lacking some things in general, like cabinets. Guys, we are removing all of the drawers. Ooh. We're also gonna take the door out because I don't like the color of it. We're gonna give it a little makeover. Woo! So there we go, the before bathroom. The tub obviously needs some help. I don't like all the silver hardware. It's like crusty. I really want to put some columns here like this. The shower door needs to be changed. I don't like this because it's ugly, obviously. I want to change it. I ripped off the door here. I actually can't decide if I even want to put a door back. I kind of like that it's open. I want a bidet with gold hardware and this toilet. You guys are gonna die. This is the most disgusting toilet. Ew. Can you believe you buy a house this expensive in Los Angeles and it still doesn't come with like a good working toilet? So, yeah, I have to get a new one of those. I need to redo the wallpaper in here. This is ugly, really ugly.
I'm thinking the wallpaper like this, like a pretty gold with like peacocks and birds, because I love birds. I just think that could be fabulous. So gotta find that somewhere.
Woo! Also, the sinks are crispy. I need to get new sink faucets, and I want these to be gold too, so I need to figure out how to do that. But yeah, these just need to be like way more fabulous, because this is so boring! And as with all of my videos, guess what this one starts with? Shopping! The best thing about buying a house is you have endless reasons to shop. This is like my dream. Okay, anywho's, let's go.
Guess where our first stop of the day is? Oh my goodness, guess who it is? It's your favorite customer.
Again,
You gotta stop looking like you hate me.
no, I don't hate you.
Tell the people you don't hate me.
I don't hate you. We miss you.
See guys, I told you. So, okay, we have my cabinets here and we're gonna like do a little decorating.
All right, so you can see my cabinets have migrated here. So exciting. Look at these amazing drawings that Renee made. Oh my God, did you hear my leg crack?
I literally took a pole dancing class yesterday, you guys, and a big mistake. I like fell off and I'm dying and yeah.
Like, look at my bruise. It's so bad.
Also, my toe is literally broken. All of me is like crotchety.
Anyways. Okay, so here are my cabinets.
All written out. This is some good math you did there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, here's my cabinets. So we're gonna paint them and put some of your fabulous moldings on them. We're thinking something like this, you know, maybe like this. I actually don't really like that. I think I want it to be more plain. I'm more into this. Like you can see all the stuff. Look at all the trimmings. So many choices. If I wasn't a YouTuber, I would honestly work in here. Like a molding like this. Huh? Ooh, like see, we could do something fun like this. Isn't this cool, guys? This is like art. What do you think? I'm a designer. Rosette? No rosette? Any thoughts?
Well, rosette.
Yeah? It's kind of pretty. Just put this in the damn center for no reason. Also, obviously, we're gonna paint these, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, just to see the vibes. I actually think I'm into this because I'll have like whatever knobs I pick. Oh God, should I have 2 knobs or 1 knob? Oh Lord. This doesn't really make much sense, guys, but I promise this is gonna make sense when we're done. I swear. So it's gonna be kind of more like this, how you can see the moldings like built onto it than just like resting on it, but yeah.
Oh, also you guys,
Okay, do you see this is the cabinet that we ripped off of here? Kind of. And now it's mirrored. Wow, that's a horrible angle. Oh God. So this is gonna be the little bottom thing, and then I'm gonna mirror the top. I actually think I'm gonna ditch this, but yay! Like we could do this, but I think that's gonna be weird. Less is more. Though this does kind of look like flowers. For me, I shouldn't have. Ooh, look at all the choices. These are so cool. Like we're in the back secret area. Wait, look at these toilets. These are crazy. This is a golden toilet. Some... You guys have really weird stuff in here. Oh, I love this place. Yay, we're gonna bring it to the car. Yay. You want me to care? I'll try. Don't understand. I'm like physically maimed right now. Hang on the camera. Guys, this is heavier than it looks.
Let me see your face right there.
Oh my God. My broken ass toe. Okay, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm gonna drop it. Yay, it's safe in there, all right. Woo. Okay, the tea is I just tried to hang this for like 45 minutes. It's not happening, folks. So I'm gonna have to get Renee to do that, but you get the idea? That's gonna be the door for there. So now that's gonna like match that and be cool. Oh my God. Alrighty, it's a very dad-themed day today. Home Depot. I feel like such a cool dad right now. Okay, so I need a lot of things. Paint. I also thought we would maybe look at toilets. Such an exciting day. Gosh, look you guys, this is so exciting. Ooh, look at all the different toilet covers. Not gonna lie, they all look basically exactly the same. I actually don't need this. I need like a whole ass toilet. Oh, actually, wow, look at them all. This is crazy. Not gonna lie, don't really know what I'm looking for. I thought there would be like a really pretty one, but they actually all look the same. Sure. I wonder if they sell bidets. The top parts of them are different. This one's kind of pretty. It has like a design. Look at it. It's the Hall of Toilets. You know, I really didn't know there was this many different kinds of toilets. I'm gonna have to call the contractor and like see what I'm actually supposed to be buying, because I don't know. Ooh, they have all this other bathroom stuff, but this is crusty and not what I like. We're gonna have to find some other fun stuff in a more unique place. Ooh, I want to get a new shower door too. Another thing I don't know much about, so that's gonna be an issue. Look at this, you can just buy shower doors. That's hilarious. This store is amazing. These sinks are boring me. Holy shitballs, look how many of these there are. Oh no! These are so boring. Why are they all silver? Where's the spice? I guess there is one gold shower head. This one's like not special though. This is so aesthetically pleasing. Look at how beautiful this is. Wow. How the hell am I supposed to pick one? Oh God, there's literally a bajillion. Okay, so this is gonna make me go crazy. Amber Autumn, Fuzzy Sheep, Spice is Nice, Imagine, Rain Song. Wow, I want this job. I want to name paint. I guess we'll just get 700 billion of them because I don't know. Okay, this is like one of the coolest stores ever. We're gonna have to like start a GoFundMe to afford a faucet in this store, but like, oh my gosh, you guys are gonna die. Look at these. Alrighty, first stop. This is my favorite bathroom store in the world. Oh my gosh, like look at these. These are so beautiful. Wow. Look at how beautiful this is. This is just insanely gorgeous. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is the one. Like this is the most gorgeous sink I ever saw. This is just beautiful. Look at these gorgeous knobs. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Wow, I should get some knobs for the cabinets. Look at these little things. These are so cute. Why have boring door hinges when you could have these? This is actually the sink that I want to get for the powder room. Gorgeous. Like, isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh, this is like my dream. Ooh,
Sorry about all the whispering. That was weird. I'm never quiet. But like I said, I really wanted that sink. So of course, in the way that I do, since I can't afford a like $30,000 sink, I decided to get one on eBay. So I hunted and hunted until I found one. The best one ever was from this super nice man down in Pasadena. So I went to go visit the sink like on a field trip, and bada bing, bada boom. Of course, it's me. So sold. Loaded it up in the car, and home it came in a bunch of pieces. He also had a bunch of their sink fixtures and things, so I picked up these super cool little towel rack holders from him too.
So like I said, I did end up getting the sink, which obviously looks crazy, literally just sitting on the living room floor, but oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. This is gorgeous, gorgeous carved marble. Oh, this is gonna be Princess Ariel's sink. Just imagine the gorgeous photos I can take of my hands in here. Unbelievable.
By the way, this sink is actually for the powder room, like I said, but this is a bathroom themed video, but this is kind of what I think I want to do in there. You can see the sink in the style of that with all the mirrors. It's gonna be fabulous.
I still need to get a faucet for it, so Cheryl Wagner gave me 2 different choices of gold. This is the kind of shit that I'm dealing with now. 2 identical shades of gold, driving me crazy. This is just gonna be unbelievable. I am so excited about this. It's actually like embarrassing. Who gets this excited about a sink? Me. Oh, you guys know I'm like obsessed with this store. They have the coolest stuff in here. I just love this store. I could spend hours in here. It's like treasure hunting, like I said, my specialty. Like, look at how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I mean, as far as a bidet goes, this is gorgeous. What do you think? Do I need this? Look, they have all the little trinket pieces. This is the spice I'm talking about. I actually don't like this one. It freaks me out, but you know, why be boring when you can be very over-the-top extra? These are gorgeous. Look at them all. Oh, they have everything in here. Whew, these are so expensive though. Could use this on the sink. Oh man, there's too many choices. I don't know what to get. Like, I want to get a shower door that looks like this. I know this isn't a shower door, but maybe it could be. Oh, actually, no. For $13,000, I'm just not gonna. No. Let's look at the sinks. There's just so much stuff in here. It's crazy. I love this store. Oh God. I mean, they have a lot of funky looking toilets in here, but I don't know. Maybe I should just get a new toilet. Maybe this is weird. So you guys are not even gonna believe this. Look what I found in an antique store, literally on the way home. No, this looks like a bunch of random gold trash, but do you guys recognize these? These are literally the Cheryl Wagner knobs that I saw in the store. You see that? $50 each. These are like $500 each. Also got these gorgeous little knobs for $30. Got a bunch of those. I also got these. These are gorgeous. These are actually a brand called Guerin. These are like gorgeous vintage towel rack things, but these are like 24 karat gold plated. They're unbelievable. Such a good find. Wow. Right, what do you think? Should we just start painting? So this is the color that I thought would look the best, brandied pears, you know? But let's just like start painting and see what's up. I'm just gonna roguely sit on the floor. Gorgeous. Ah! Okay, so you can see I successfully painted those 2. What do you think? Do you like this color? Why does this look different? Oh, it's my shadow. Huh? I think that color looks pretty nice. I tried to paint this too, but then obviously I got lazy, so I actually think this color is gonna be good. Picked a paint color, brandied pears, holla. So obviously we'll put the cabinets in and they're gonna look kind of more like that, I think. We just gotta figure out which poles I wanna put in where. Like, I got this random gold piece and then I got this other like random tassel. I put a command strip on it, but I think like how cute would that be, you know? So then it could be like one sexy nipple tassel-y looking piece, and then if I put them both right there, I think that'll be gorgeous. I guess I could put these here. I don't know if I like them there. Like, maybe I could even just do the one in the center. Or maybe I'll put these on some other cabinet. I don't know if I like them there, actually. If you got any ideas, let me know, because I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna use these, but they're gonna go somewhere. Just look at how gorgeous these are. Like, maybe I'll just leave them as decor. They're pretty. Gorgeous. I'm gonna start like collecting doorknobs. That's gonna be my new thing. Okay. Oh, like even just that, look how much better it's gonna look with gold. It's gonna be gorgeous. Actually, I'm definitely gonna get rid of this, so maybe I'll actually use these as a toilet paper holder. That could be cool. Speaking of, I ended up not picking up the bidet. I don't know if I need that or not, though I'm still kind of thinking about it. Like, wouldn't that just look way prettier than this one? I think so. Maybe I'll put these like there. This is like so avant-garde and abstract. You really gotta use your imagination for this video, you guys. So this will be like my glamorous little perfume section. I'll also get one of those like cute little chairs. It's gonna be cute. Help you see it just a little better. I'll bring in like some of my stuff that I already have just to like kind of show you. So hang on. Like, you know, I've got all my fancy little trinket boxes and cool like gold ormolu things, fun little trinket thingies. Got my little marble vases. You know, it's gonna be fancy. My gorgeous naked lady statue, the Plaza Hotel towel that I got. There, now we go. Now it really looks like a hotel. Kind of. This looks crazy. But you know what? So, obviously there is a lot more work to be done. Honestly, you just gotta use your imagination. I have an amazing imagination. I can literally see exactly what this is gonna look like, so stay tuned for when it does. Like, comment, subscribe. That was a good plug. I'm getting good at this YouTuber thing. So like I said, this project is obviously gonna take a minute. That was honestly like a week and a half of my life condensed into 15 minutes. So yeah, that's why this is taking so long. It's because I'm literally hand picking out everything. But you know, I mean, this is my dream home and I wanna make it everything I ever dreamed it could be. So it deserves that. I'll obviously keep you guys updated every step of the way. So thank you guys as always for watching. Kisses till next time from the soon-to-be Sky Castle and me, XO. I also don't really think I can get up if I'm being honest. That pole dancing class really took it out of me. Ah! Oh my god, there's a huge daddy long leg. Do you see it? I'm terrified of spiders, actually. Oh my god, this is worth it. Get off it! Get off it! Don't kill it though, don't kill it! I'm gonna go now. I'm not gonna pay you now.